Hey guys, have you ever wondered how to set yourself up for success as a busy mom? I work hard to keep myself and my kids healthy, fed, and everywhere on time. The struggle is real, right? Today, I am going to share my busy mom on-the-go suggestions for making life a little easier. I have some tried and true time-saving oil hacks, which I've learned over the years. I found that using essential oils can be pretty easy if you make these tiny adjustments. The key is fast and convenient. If I could write a book about being a busy mom, these would definitely be my top 5 tips. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Stick around until the end and I'll share a free download for all my go-to pre-made roller bottles, which also happens to be one of my top 5 suggestions. Love this topic and want more options for busy moms on the go? Check out the links for some of my other videos. Hi, I'm Amy Connor and I've been helping people lead a natural, healthier way of life since 2013. I'm a mom to 2 sets of boy-girl twins and an Army wife. With a master's degree in mental health counseling and an essential oil expert with doTERRA, I seek to empower you and your loved ones to live a natural, healthier way of life. Let's jump right in. Have you ever wondered how to set yourself up for success as a busy mom? I found that using essential oils can be pretty easy if you make these tiny adjustments. The key is fast and convenient. If I could write a book about being a busy mom, these would definitely be my top 5 tips. Number 1, use the touch oils from doTERRA. So easy and fast to use. You can't beat this easy and on-the-go way to carry your essential oils. Having 4 kids, I know how hectic life is. When they're little, it's hard to get them to sit still, much less while you're trying to open up tons of tiny oil bottles, drop them all into your hand without spilling the oil or the bottles themselves. Plus, get your tiny crawlers or walkers back to you so you can oil up the bottoms of their feet or spine. That's why I love using the touch line. There's no mess and the application is fast and easy. Number 2, keep your oils out where you'll see and use them. While you may want to store them in a cute little essential oil bag, you're less likely to remember to use them because you don't see them all the time. This especially goes for the new oil user. I have essential oils all over my house, like the shelf you see behind me in my living room. Not only are they a great topic starter when people come into our home, but I'm more readily apt to use them as well. Number 3, keep them where you'll readily use them. This goes hand in hand with my number 2 suggestion. If you have a 2-story house like us, keep 1 set of oils upstairs and another set downstairs. I do this because I'm less likely to walk downstairs for an oil when I'm already upstairs trying to fill a diffuser before bed. I keep oils in all of my children's bedrooms, the bathrooms, plus the laundry room and next to our water glasses. I keep the ones I use daily on my bathroom counter and the ones I use for sleep on my nightstand. Doing this ensures that I'll use them daily because they're within my sight and arm's reach. Do you have any tried and true time-saving oil hacks? I know my subscribers would love to hear what has worked for you and your family. Number 4, use your own pre-made roller bottles. I always make sure to have a bottle of my handy flute recipe available. I love making up roller bottle blends that I use for the occasional cough, elevated body temperature, head tension, and owie blend. Why? Because having all of the oils pre-mixed into a roller bottle makes for an easy and fast application when I'm trying to get my kids and self out the door or into bed. Number 5, when you're using a few oil bottles at once, say like a Symphony of the Cells or AromaTouch application, lay every bottle out next to you or within arm's reach. Place them in order of use. Next, open up every bottle and have your carrier oil also open and ready to go. Then you can easily drop each essential oil needed into your hand without spilling or making a mess. This will also speed up the time frame of application too. You guys made it to the end. Click the link below for my free download for all my go-to pre-made roller bottles. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video.